be doing the taco challenge.
Let's see which taco is better, but watch out. So this is the veggies. This is tomatoes. These are the peppers. This is cheese. There's mozzarella and cheddar. This is avocado. This is the corn. This is the old El Paso beans. And this is my mom's secret sauce.
These are the taco shells and the soft tortilla bowls. Now, let's make the tacos!
If you guys think you know what's in here, leave in the section down below.
Ready, get set, begin the taco challenge.
So we are now done our tacos.
And now we're going to taste them. Better than yours.
Mine's better than yours.
No, look at that. It's weird.
Hey! Look at your spoon! Look at those avocados!
What is that?
Hey!
I'm gonna win.
No, I'm gonna win. I'm better. No.
My bad. Mine's better.
So much topping there is.
Go for mine.
Which one do you think is better? Leave it in the comment section down below.
For watching, please like and subscribe.
Bye.
Mine's better.